Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to take up the 80mm FREEWING Avanti version 2. We're going to do a speed test on her. This is the first time I've ever flown an SMC, this kind of SMC version 2 pack in it, so we're going to see just how fast I can make this little boy move. All right, we're going to do a performance straight and level first, and then we'll take up the hard drive just for fun and see how fast I can make it move. All right, now this is the GNS Performance Analyzer. You can get us at Motion RC, same place you can get the plane. And like I've told you before, the links I'll give you, the affiliate stuff, FMS or Motion RC have temporarily suspended their affiliate program. That's not going to stop me though from giving you the links and everything. That way you can get the right product directly recommended from me. I'm going to start the GNS Performance Analyzer, make sure it's reading. And it is. All right, let's take it up. We'll do the straight performance test first, speed, and then we'll do a hard dive just for fun. And then we'll finish the flight just for fun. Now this has the FREEWING brand afterburner, not the KM Models one. All right, straight and level. The position of the sun versus where I need to land.
Landing flaps. Brakes off. Flaps up.
All right. I think I'm going to land next from the east, even though it's with the wind. I'd much rather be able to keep visual on the plane and have a longer rollout than get blinded and have no idea where I'm at. But right now, let's see what straight and level our performance flight was.
Brakes off. Motor off.
All right. Stop. Read. Not bad. 114 mile an hour. 114 mile an hour. And we were up to 564 and elevation was the highest. But we can go 750 here. So we're okay. 750, 749, whatever it is. All right. We're going to start. Okay, helps turn the motor on, and we are reading. Now we're just going to go, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, hard dive that way. All right, let's get turned around. I'm actually just going to go down the other end.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, I really need to put a KM model afterburner in this one. All right. I mean, the FREEWINGs are okay.
Takeoff flaps.
But I prefer the KM models. They're so much brighter.
Flaps up.
I'm going to turn around here. Actually, I lied. We're going to do it out here. All right, we're going to take it straight up now. Flip it. Full speed. All right.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I'm coming in too hot.
Flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
There, that's better. Gonna be in the grass, but that's okay. That gear can more than take the grass.
Motor off.
All right. Stop. Read. Ha! 130 mile an hour. Had her up to 659 in altitude. 130 mile an hour. All right, we're going to turn the performance analyzer off. Okay, 130. I'm very happy with that. All right.
Motor on.
Let's just have some fun now. All right. Get back over here. Turn around here.
Take off flaps.
We have like no wind at all right now. All right, here we go.
Flaps gear up.
Up, flip it. Good.
Landing flaps.
All right.
1 minute. Braking. Brakes off.
All right, now that's what I should have done the first time. Let's get turned around down here. We'll take off one more time. All
Take
right,
off flaps.
here we go.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds.
And be in the grass, that's okay. Won't hurt it. But when you go in the grass like that, don't stop. Keep it rolling. If you stop, you're going to get bogged down. Keep it going.
20 seconds.
Big difference between
Flaps up.
landing with the wind versus landing against the wind. All right.
Motor off.
Take it back to the bench. We'll talk about it. All right. Folks, I'm sorry if it seemed a little dark in here whenever we do this after the flight report, but that sun rips a hide right off of you, so I'd rather come in here under the shade. I'm sorry it makes it a little harder for you to see, but skin cancer ain't no joke. All right. Talk about our rates. Flew my high rates. Aileron, 100%, 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. Rudder, 100%, 30% expo. Gee, I think we got a theme going on there. All right, flap systems. Flaps up, negative 100%, no mix. Takeoff, these are split flaps. Negative 50, no mix. Landing, positive 25 with a 15% down elevator mix, and she flies perfect, just like that. 2-second deployment. All right, we have 15 seconds left on a, hold on, sorry. 15 seconds left on a 4.5 minute timer. So the way the math works, it'll be 4 minutes and 15 seconds. And let's check and see what kind of battery we got left. 31%, perfect storage rate. So 4.5 minutes is perfect on a 59. This to show you the battery that I'm using. This is a 5900 SMC high voltage pack. The version 2 has got a 90C discharge. That's what I'm flying in it right now. And that, folks, is the 80 millimeter Avanti. Avanti S version 2, got the KM, not the KM model, it's got the FREEWING brand afterburner in there, which I just haven't switched it to a KM models yet. But just a good looking plane, good flying plane. Very locked in, as the overly used phrase is. But she's a lot of fun. She flies great, great sports jet. And I highly recommend it. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and Avanti version 2 80mm sport jets. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.